are going to be clean our chimney. So guys, every time you people are using very harmful chemicals, so very dangerous those chemicals. So nowadays everyone is suffering with cancer. Everyone using those chemicals because of it is cleaning and it is effectively. So that is the reason we are using and we are cleaning. But we need to be use proper organic compounds. Even though those are chemicals, those are not harmful. So I will tell you how to do it. So see here how much mud is there. See here how much mud is there. So this is simply we can clean it. Those are you will get in house. Okay guys. So today again my grandma going to be perform and my grandma going to give to how to clean the chimney. First one is vinegar. So vinegar also chemical only, but people can ask me this is also chemical. So then why are you using? But this is not harmful chemical. So we are using regular food and all those things. It will give chemical reaction, but this is not chemical. So I'm going to take it totally 8 cups. I think so. Please look my old videos. I have done so many videos with vinegar and lemon and baking soda. So baking soda. See the chemical reaction. 4 spoons. Mix it properly. Yeah, keep it one side. Take it wet cloth. So first with the dry cloth, please clean everything. Guys, I am not showing any filter cleaning. In next video I will show how to clean filters. So my grandma is performing. She is struggling a lot. So remove excess dust. Just I am cleaning half of the thing to show the effect of this formula which I made it. So take another cloth, very small cloth, which is cotton cloth always best. You can see here magic. It will remove all greasy item and all those things. No need any costly things. See here how glass is coming very clean and neat. To show power of vinegar, lemon and baking soda, I cleaned only half of thing. So you can see here. So complete grease cleaned. See here how much neat. It look like now brand new. So only rusted bolts only appearing, but everything is very clean. See here, my kitchen is clearly appearing from the mirror. So here, so see the dust. Now I will clean entire pot because I want to show demo. That is the reason I cleaned half of the pot. See guys, I cleaned completely the 2 pots now. So I skipped it because I don't want to repeat this procedure. So now top is over, we'll go down. So cleaning down pot. Finally clean with the dry cloth. See here, all mud is going out. So no grease, no oil grease or anything. So it is cleaning very fresh. It looks like now brand new. So grease area, either you should clean separately or we should clean finally. So glass items you should clean early and later and final stage you need to clean grease area. So please tell to thanks to my grandma for her great tips. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video because my grandma is struggling a lot for me and for you.